Flip
it. What did I flip it to?
Throw it to me.
What if it's gonna hit your stomach?
It's not gonna hit my stomach.
I'm gonna do it forward.
Just throw it. Let's see. That's not how you throw a frisbee. Let me see the flying seagull. Come on. That's not the flying seagull. That's more like the stranded duck. Here, give it to me. Let me go throw it to you. Come on. No. All right, go ahead. Go deep. Go for a pass. Nice. Come on, John. Jeez, too many kids. Come on, Joseph. Come on, throw it. Like this. That was kind of cheesy. Come on, hustle. Let me see some hustle behind that muscle. All right, I'm gonna get some shot. I'm gonna play now. I'm gonna put this down. Don't touch anything over there.
I wish you could never come here. Don't tell this one, Cam.
Go get the frisbee.